Hello folks, in this video how to make bannock for 2 people. Recipe for you to share with your loved ones. And please subscribe to the channel Outdoors with Mike if you haven't already. It's a beautiful fall day, nice and sunny today. We'll get it out there, educational video for you to make bannock for 2 people. A quick little serving. It's very tasty and yummy. Good when it's nice and hot, you break it and you put it in butter, it tastes very tasty. Bannock. From serving for 2 people. So you don't have to, you could share it with 2 people and you don't have to make a lot. Just what you need. Oven bannock. Okay, it's teamwork. Avril's gonna help me. So what I do?
Do 2 cups of flour.
2 cups of flour.
Measure even measurements.
Even it out.
Just yeah.
1 cup. 2 of these. So that's 1.
It's like 1 per person.
Yep. Last time we made 2 bannocks, that was 4. But yeah. But anyways, this is for 2. Two. So 2 flour. And then we'll put the flour away. Then what I do?
And then you'll use like a 1/4 cup of oil.
1/4 cup of oil? Is that what we got in there?
No, you gotta, there's just some oil in there, just add to it.
Last time was a 1/4, wasn't it?
1/4.
Right there.
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup of oil.
1 egg.
And 1 egg.
Oops, right there. No shell.
1 egg. Then mix it up?
No, use your measuring, your what is that?
Measuring cup?
That's 1/2 cup, right?
What?
No, right here. This is 1/2 cup. You can put a 1/2 cup of milk.
1/2 cup of milk, measuring, or less?
No, 1/2 cup. If you just,
Okay, right there.
yeah.
1/2 cup.
And
So quarter cup of oil, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of milk.
And probably like 3/4 cup.
Huh?
What happened? Probably like 1 cup of hot water to that.
You want to do that part?
Yeah. Let it go hot. You'll mix this real good. Put it in a cup and bring it.
1 cup?
1 cup of hot water.
1 cup? I'm running the water. I'm gonna get a 1 cup of hot water.
And you forgot a dash of salt too. You want to
Here, I'll do that. Hey. Okay.
Put a dash of salt. Just like
Just trying to
sprinkle it. No, not lot.
Oh, sprinkle it? Okay.
Yeah, just sprinkle it.
But I want to do it in the palm so they'll
Do a
know.
little bit then. Don't do lots.
How much?
Wait. Not pepper.
Pepper.
That should be good.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, right there, folks.
Just a little bit.
Just
yeah,
a little
not
bit.
Lots, yeah. That's,
So, if you want to do it, you just sprinkle a little bit.
oh, we didn't even do baking powder, did we?
Oh, no. Oh, and how much, April?
1.
Like
Not,
heaping?
no, just like
Level?
no,
Just like
that. Yes.
okay. Right there.
Get it good. It's not heaping. It's just
Yeah, just a little lump on there.
just enough for 2
Yeah.
cups.
Okay, then what?
Now you mix that.
Okay.
Get your well in the middle. Nice mix.
Now you mix it up, folks.
Now letting the hot water warm up. So 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a dash of salt to your dry mixture.
Okay, yeah.
Now make your well.
Should be good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, then make a well.
And then that we have.
Wait, I'll get the hot water.
Quarter
Hot
cup
now.
of oil.
It's really hot. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Quarter cup of oil, 1 egg, half a cup
Even
of milk.
if it's a little over, or that's exact.
We're just trying 1 cup.
Right there.
Yeah, and that's hot water.
Hot water.
Stir it in. Stir it after you. Yeah.
As you go.
Yeah, because you don't want to cook your eggs. Yeah, like
Does it
that.
cool off?
Yeah. Wait, that might be just good enough.
Right there.
Yeah. So how much water did we use? We didn't use a full hot.
Like
We only used,
till it's what here?
no, we only used half a cup of hot water. So we
So
used
right
a
there,
quarter
there's the
cup.
whole right measurement.
That
300.
should be just about right. That turn it around, the cup side like this.
Right there, yeah.
So that's a cup and a half of a
Cup and a
mixture.
half, yeah.
We'll be going into 2 cups of this flour. So mix it in. That's good. Put it in.
Okay.
Yeah. Pour it all in. Yeah, mix it all up.
Okay. Alrighty, folks.
That's a small little bannock for a couple.
Simple bannock for 2 people.
Even if it's a little wet, you'll add a little bit of flour, but you don't want to. Yeah, see, it's pretty. It's a little wet.
You just make it like this, cookie dough, just like how you always
Then
make
you
bread.
just sprinkle a little bit of flour. Yeah. Hold this while grabbing some
Okay,
flour.
you finish the rest. You do good. Yeah. April, finish the rest.
So I'm gonna sprinkle some.
Yeah.
See?
Todd, you don't work it too much.
I don't, but
Oh.
it's like warm and just. You guys gentle. You don't like knead it and punch
Okay.
it. You know. Just wanna
Right.
get all the nice little ball. Here's a cute little bannock. Aww, so cute. Look at that.
Oh.
A little baby. Okay, wait. Oil your pan.
Baby bannock.
Baby bannock. How to make a baby bannock. So we oiled the pan.
You could cook it.
See? Then our bannock. See, we didn't overwork it.
Oh yeah. You oil it or that's after?
No, I'm gonna oil it on top.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna.
Oh there. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna. So I put some oil on my hands. Pat it.
Yeah. So you put oil on your
I
hands.
just oiled my hands. See, like.
There's our oil. So oil your hands. That's to get it what?
Just so it's nice, it browns
Crispy?
evenly.
And
Yeah.
crispy, yeah.
And crunchy top. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Then you're gonna fork it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's such a cute little bannock. You're gonna fork it. Oops. See, it'll cook, and when it's done, you can just slice it, bunch of slices like a bread loaf.
But you have to wait till it's completely cold.
till it's completely cooled off.
If you want to eat your bannock right away, you just break it with your hand. Don't use a knife.
Oh, you'll be doughy.
It'll be doughy. But yeah, when it's hot, it's best to eat it. I think you break it and you just open it with. You use your hands. You use butter. But if you cool it down, you can make nice like bread, cutted bread.
And then cook it in your oven at about 370. for
Open
about
it. I'll put it in.
20 minutes.
Yeah, right here. Bannock's going in the oven. Right there, it's 375. Our bannock. Our right there. See, folks.
2-man bannock, 2-person bannock.
2-person bannock. How to make
It'll
2-person
cook in there
bannock.
for about 20 minutes. 20, 25.
Alrighty. There's our oil. Our flour. Our measuring cups. Magic.
We always use magic.
I always use magic.
That's the one that only works for us.
And here's some April made some bread and some buns. And we just had burgers just now. That's the last one. I'm too full. Okay, folks, the bannock is done. Look in here. Oh, I like it a little bit dark.
Broil the top.
You want it just about out, you turn it on boil, so it'll crispy it. You can do it a little lighter than that, but I like mine dark.
Flavor.
But just so it's, you can do it like this. Ouch!
Wow.
Right there, folks. Look, I'll break it and show you. Oh, right there. You break your bannock like that.
Look at that. So
Hot. It's very hot.
Oh my
Look.
goodness,
Then
yeah.
you put some butter on it. It'll melt. That's how you do it. You make it melt. In there, so hot. Whoa.
So good.
Yeah, it's melting. It's really hot. Right there, look at it. I'll get it nice and for you. Looking. Yeah, see? Nice, look folks. Alright, here's the final test. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Oh, you can hear the crunchy too.
Oh yeah, not hot. Oh yeah, it's crunchy.
That's why you.
The butter makes it taste good.
That's why you oil the
I like the little part like this. The
sides.
the middle.
Oh.
And I like this too. Okay. That's the finished product. Thank you. Bye for now.
I don't know. Okay. Here's the video.
was educational. Please subscribe if you haven't. And have a good day. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye for now.
Okay. Here's a video. Here's magic.
Always use magic.